On the ground or you lose it. Hey, out here. Lillian! Does this make me a bad mother? I think I'm breaking all of the rules right now. Hey! Put it on the ground or you lose it. Well, he's trying to eat it because you're teasing him with it. On the ground or you lose it. Last time I'm telling you. Stay out here. All right, let me see.
No, mine.
No, let me see.
My turn.
Let me see. My turn.
No,
Lillian,
my turn now.
my turn. Hey, excuse you.
When I do it.
Let me see.
When I do it.
Thank you. Okay, see, you keep it on the ground. Guys, Jaws found it.
No, I want you to know.
Lily, watch out.